creating schema markup manually takes hours and it's really prone to errors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create schema markup automatically using AI in 60 seconds or less. Perhaps you are running a local business, maybe an e-commerce store, maybe a marketing agency or a kind of content publishing house or something like that. For each of these organizations, you potentially need really great schema markup, especially now since AI overviews have overtaken a lot of the search volume. So the schema markup is the language that AI understands. So then you get more visibility in the AI overviews. You are probably aware that on schema.org there is a full list of all of the types of schemas that you can use on your website. But putting this together manually is a huge headache. For the purposes of this video, we will be using Rank Math SEO, which is a pretty great pro plugin for WordPress, but of course you can adopt this approach to your own plugin or your own schema solution. So we are here on Elementor, and you can see that we have these different schema types, and if we just click on edit, you will see that putting together a schema like that, especially at scale, for example, your full web service is just going to be hugely inefficient and really prone to errors. So we are going to fully automate this thing. In Rank Math SEO, you have some basic available schema types like article, book, dataset, FAQ, etc. And while they are okay, they are often insufficient and you need to still adopt them for your needs to get the best results and visibility in the AI overviews. Why would you create this schema manually if you can do it fully automatically with the use of AI? For this example, we'll be looking at a course schema and developing a full JSON-LD file that you can then import into your schema plugin. I will just maybe share this prompt in the description, and of course, if you are going to be creating another type of schema, then you will need to modify it. But the basic idea is that you just provide the content of your web page to AI, and then it spits out a full ready-to-upload JSON-LD file that you then just import via the plugin, and then you already have a ready schema. Here is the basic idea. On the right, we have ChatGPT, or you can use Claude or Gemini, and then you input this prompt, you give it the full text of the landing page that you want to create a schema for. In this example, it's a page for an online course. So you get the URL, the image URL, the video URL, and the full text of the website. And then you just paste it directly here into ChatGPT and tell it to output this JSON-LD file for you that you can then just copy. So let's just go all the way down here. And you can see that based on all of this information that I have provided, we have a full course schema. Then we have an FAQ schema. And the really cool thing here is that once this is ready, you just click here on import and then on JSON-LD custom code. And then you just grab, let's say, this FAQ schema from here. Then you just paste it here and then process code. And you can see that the FAQ page schema was found. And then you can just simply use it. And you have a ready, fully structured schema markup with the full FAQ. Normally, if you did this manually, it would take you forever. But now you can do it just really in a couple of seconds with AI, which is absolutely fantastic. You can do the same with blog posts. And of course, if you have offers, like e-commerce offers or events, you have so many different types of schemas that you could just create and import ready-made onto your website. And another thing, now that I'm thinking about it, is that if you have like 100 schemas that you want to create in bulk, then you would just hook up, let's say, Claude API, and then you would just do them automatically. So you can just go to sleep, and when you wake up, you have your 100 or 1000 schemas ready to implement and just import on your website. But of course, it's really important to just check the output here. So for that, we will be using, of course, the rich results test on Google. So then we just do the test to check if the output from AI is actually solid and ready to use. And voila, you can see that after the publication, everything is working perfectly fine. We have the video schema working perfectly. We have the review snippets. We have the organization, breadcrumbs, and so on and so forth. So everything is working perfectly fine, and we are ready to go. And even our full course schema that we have just created. So I think this is a major time saver. I hope that you have enjoyed this little hack that I have shared with you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with others, and I'm going to see you in the next one, where I'm going to tell you about the best way to boost your Google Analytics so you can get even better and sharper data for your marketing decisions. Thanks, and I'm going to see you in the next one.